From above, a vast multi-lane highway bridge stretches across open water, guiding travelers toward a striking futuristic terminal. Cars move smoothly in both directions, reflecting the rhythm of a modern, connected world. Even under the soft, overcast sky, this massive structure stands as a symbol of innovation and global progress. Here, a sleek, modern train glides across an elevated bridge, floating over calm emerald waters. Surrounded by lush mountains and quiet villages, the landscape blends engineering with untouched beauty. This peaceful route captures the harmony between human creativity and the power of nature. Below us unfolds a giant knot of highways, twisting and merging in a stunning display of design and precision. Vehicles navigate the looping ramps with effortless flow. Set within rolling green hills, this interchange stands as one of the most impressive examples of modern infrastructure at work. Carved deep into a dramatic quarry, this extraordinary hotel rises with curved lines and green terraces. A waterfall cascades down the rugged cliff, feeding a dark, reflective pool below. From the sky, the entire structure appears as a bold fusion of architecture and raw natural beauty. Graceful bridges sweep across vast blue waters, forming elegant pathways toward a distant coastal skyline. High-rises shimmer under a clear sky, while boats drift quietly below. It's a breathtaking meeting point of engineering ambition and the peaceful rhythm of the sea. A vibrant monorail glides effortlessly above a lush green park, its playful designs adding color to the modern city. Beneath it, trails and trees create a calm escape, while towering buildings rise toward the sky. This scene shows a city where innovation and nature move side by side. Cut into the quarry's towering walls, this remarkable hotel spreads across multiple curved levels, each crowned with green terraces. Below, fountains shimmer on the quiet pool as a waterfall feeds the heart of the canyon. From above, every angle reveals a masterpiece balancing luxury and the landscape. Suspended high between steep cliffs, a brilliant white bridge spans a deep green valley. Forest-covered mountains stretch endlessly in every direction. As the drone sweeps across, the bridge's elegant form showcases both the daring of modern engineering and